This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jesus Alvarez. Welcome to your future home with lake view. Home has several upgrades and unique features. Brand newer fencing just installed. This beautiful home is located in the highly desirable landings at Riverbend Subdivision in Sanford, Seminole County. You will be the proud owner of this stunning 2-story, 2021 construction single-family home. This home includes 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The home is generously open and spacious. With a half-bath downstairs, the great room is perfect for entertaining. Prepare to be impressed with your future home. Community amenities include a community pool with cabana. Excellent location with convenient access to 417/I-4, downtown Sanford, and Sanford Airport. Hurry! Don't look any further. Here is your spacious, affordable, and it's move-in ready. This home will not last. Don't wait, schedule your tour today. For more information,